In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this stroke effect in your design. Let's get into it. So we duplicate this layer and we go to select and we choose subject. When that is done, click on mark, then click on T on your keyboard and then type your text. When you are done, click OK. So we are going to convert this to smart object. Convert it to smart object. Then we duplicate it. Then we drag this to the middle here. And for this one, we change the fill to 0. Then we go to this side and click on stroke. Then follow these settings. This is the color code. When you are done, click OK. And you click on this, then link it together. We can scale it again and we drag it to wherever we like. Alright guys, and that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and also share it with your friend. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. And to support my channel, kindly check the description below to get access to my digital products. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging and keep learning. Bye for now.